The following segment is sponsored by Ecolab. Now that spring has sprung and more people are out dining, shopping, and traveling, it's crucial for businesses to focus on cleanliness. That's the message from TV host and superstar Chef Michael Symon, who is teaming up with Ecolab to explain the importance of scientific clean for restaurants, hotels, and businesses. Welcome on the show, Michael. How are you today?
I'm doing great, Kevin. Thank you for having me.
All right, I think we can all appreciate cleanliness, but this sounds extra clean. What does cleanliness do for restaurants, hotels, and other public spaces?
Well, yeah, extra clean is a great way to describe it. You know, when I'm thinking about my kitchen at home or the restaurants that we have, or even doing a show on Food Network, it's like cleanliness is always at the first priority. Like to put out great food, to give great service, to do all those things, it has to start with cleanliness. So working with Ecolab Science Certified has really allowed us to take even more steps than we've took in the past to make sure that people are getting a cleaner and safer environment.
Sounds like I want to go to these places because it's extra clean. Why is the level of clean so important for business owners?
Well, I think it's a couple things. I think one, you owe it to your customers, you owe it to your staff, and you want your customers to come in and they have high expectations, and we want to exceed their expectations. We want to give them, if they expect it to be clean, we want it to be cleaner. We want it to be safer. So that's really what Ecolab continues to teach us and help us get to that next level.
Love it. Squeaky clean. So tell us a little bit about what the components of the program look like.
So the great thing with the program is you get all the technology, you get all the innovation, and you get a lot of training for your staff, which makes the staff comfortable with it and makes them understand why we're going about it. They have a fantastic audit system where their trade professionals come in to make sure that you're going about doing things the right way. And ultimately, it drives customer satisfaction in business, which affects your bottom line as a restaurateur.
Well, this is an important part of your job. So as a chef and business owner, why is scientific cleanliness so important and effective?
Well, I think once the customer sees the Ecolab Science Certified seal, they know they're going into a safe place. So to create that environment, I think is very important. And for me, as a chef and a restaurateur, I'm responsible for the customer, but I'm also responsible for our staff. We have a lot of staff that's been with us for a long, long time, and that we know that they know that they could come into their workplace and work in a cleaner, safer environment. It's important to us.
Well, tell us really quick, what are some other benefits of the Ecolab Science Certified program and seal?
Well, I think with the seal, you're going to drive more customers into your restaurant because they know it's safe. You're never going to have like the standards that different cities set on you for cleanliness. You're going to exceed all those standards and just create a cleaner and safer environment for your staff and your customer.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for being here. For more information, look to your screen. Thank you again. We'll see you later.
Take care.